So, next on the list is our screen protector. This is by 11LB 5KG ESR. Never heard of the company, honestly. I got it for a couple of reasons. Because they claim it's edge-to-edge display screen protector with none of that black bezel crap. And it covers the notch. So that was a big plus for me, because with my luck, my phone will drop and it'll break the freaking notch glass area. So here it is. Ooh, okay. Love the presentation. Find the extra discounts if you want to scan it. Do your thing. Cleaner kit. I love this black presentation. This looks very high-end and professional. Ooh, okay. A little guider tool. Instructions. Too bad I don't read Chinese. And we got one and two screen protectors. That's cool. So let's check these guys out. It looks like it does have... Ooh, okay, that's clean. It does have a small black bezel edge on top and the bottom, but I can manage with that. At least it's not all around the edges. Could definitely manage. But this looks very clean. It's actually on a plastic piece. This is dope. I will install it together, guys. Be right back. We're back. It's actually pretty simple, guys. So you just open up the first cleaning kit. It's like any other screen protector, honestly. But I just love their presentation on this. You get a wet wipe, a sticky pad, and a little mini cleaning cloth. Looks like half of one. They cut it in half. It's cool. I have so many of those. It's ridiculous. So, first thing, wipe the screen.
With the wet wipe, wipe, clean, clean, clean. Get those edges. Perfect.
So we aligned it. Sticky pad. Get any excess filth. Have to peel this off. Be super careful. Ooh. This is pretty hard. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna let it stick. This is what we have. We do have a little bit of bubble action here. Alright guys, finally got the screen protector all set up. Bubble free. This is how it looks. So I tried my best here. What I love about this screen protector is it kinda, sorta goes all the way to the edge. But it kinda, sort of doesn't. But it does cover the the notch, which is very important. I think all screen protectors should have that notch covered. Anyways, let's check it out. And there's barely any thing to like feel right here. There goes the bottom. The bottom is a little rough around the edges, but when you have this bad boy case on, like so, you ain't worried about nothing. You're straight. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and review of the glass screen protector. I will have the link down in the description for you to check out. And until next time.